everyone from the hills of Manibhangjan. It's 7 a.m. right now, and we woke up very early in the morning and watched the sunrise from the mountains. It was so beautiful. Right now, we are going to have breakfast and then we'll start our walk towards Sondakphu. So, it's not going to happen in one day. So, we will take a halt somewhere and you'll see in the videos. I don't know much details, so keep watching and look at the view. Yeah, I'm in love, seriously. It's so amazing. Keep watching. It's going to be a really amazing vlog or vlog series. So our trek begins from here. Sondakphu is 31 kilometers and our first stop will be Chitre, which is 3 kilometers away, uphill. Such a beautiful place, guys. And our parents are going in this Land Rover. So hi! Today we are going from Manibhangjan till Tumling, which is 13 kilometers. And this is going to be the entire route. We are here and we'll go all the way to Tumling today. Then next will be Kali Pokhri and then Sondakphu finally. So yeah. We are at Chitre. This is the Chitre hilltop. It was so steep. From Manibhangjan to Chitre, it was so steep.
चाय में क्या देंगे वो आपको बोलने का
Hello. What a view, man. What a view. We are at a small restaurant called Hawk's Nest. And we'll have tea and then resume our walk again. We are at Chitre right now and we have to walk till Tumling, no?
Yeah.
We have to walk till Tumling today. Fingers crossed. We are somewhere above Chitre right now, and that's Kanchenjunga behind me. Woo. बहुत थक गए.
सवाल ये है कि
Super tired.
हम पहुंच पाएंगे?
We are not playing Dora the Explorer. हम पहुंच पाएंगे. Although I'm dressed like Velma, but anyway, we are almost.
ওইটা হলো কি ওই যে রাস্তাটা সান্দাকপু থেকে রিম্বিক চলে যাচ্ছে যে রাস্তাটা ভেঙে গিয়েছিল ওই ভাঙা রাস্তাটা রিম্বিক শ্রীখোলা যাচ্ছিল মাঝখানে পড়ে যাচ্ছিল ওখানটা করে এখন ওখান থেকে হেঁটে ওই টংলু টপে ওঠে টংলু থেকে অনবোর্ড.
We were just walking towards our destination, of course, and I saw a unicorn. Well, it's not a unicorn, I'm just kidding. But look at this cutie. Look at this cutie, oh my god. And there is another one in black over there. So cute. We're walking for around 2 hours. We have reached a small halt called Lamedhura. So we will have some refreshments here and stuff. water, tea, and everything. Take some rest.
And some chocolate too.
And some chocolate too. And then we will walk again towards Tumling. Yeah, so Tumling will be our final destination for today. Yeah, so we'll stay the night at Tumling, and then we'll start walking tomorrow again. Mataka? Nathak. Hi. चलते रहो, चलते रहो. And now we are at Meghma. Megh means cloud. Took some rest in Meghma, and now we are walking again. It's I think 2 kilometers to reach Tumling. Yeah, so Meghma to Tumling we'll walk now. I hope we reach soon because I'm super tired and hungry as well. Need to have lunch as soon as possible. So yeah, although it's a very interesting journey for me, like once in a lifetime kind of experience. So yeah, I'm having fun actually, although my legs and my entire body is in pain, but it's a rewarding journey for real. So let's continue. Finally reached Tumling. Oh god, look at the weather. Hi people. Hi. Sab thak gaye. And this is our homestay. Beautiful house. And tonight we will stay here and take rest and just chill, and tomorrow early morning we'll begin our trek again. So wow, nice.
Hi.
We are standing in the balcony of our cottage and look at the view. Amazing. I always wanted to stay in a place like this, like a cottage in the hills, so it's pretty amazing.